Hey, what's up, Doge holders? So what's going on, my brother? I am really sorry for this bad news because Doge is completely gone down. I already make a video for this, but what we do and this critical situation, I also solve this problem and this video to what you do. You are completely and the losing, my friend. Dogecoin in the last days absolutely gone very fastly, and everyone are very happy because the Dogecoin moving very fastly like a rocket. We are moving, we are decide to go at the moon, we are moving at the moon. But at this time you can see here in the last 24 hours also gone good result. But if you can see here at the chart, totally changed us, my friends. This time you can see here they take a very bad dump. Absolutely they falls down very fastly, my friends. What we and this current situation, what's going on? Let's see the last 24 hours. Oh my goodness, the current chart, if you can see here, this time minus 16.77%, they going down, my friend. And the current reading is very bad. They are completely falls down, no dump. Here is no chance to they take a dump, my friend. I hope they going again, starting they again going up. But at this time, in this current situation, they are very badly falls down. And my prediction, my friend, today going very badly down. And upcoming time you can see here, just in the last 1 hour they going down minus 10.82% going down, my friend. Tomorrow in the first 24 hour they going up 20% up. But this time you can see here and the 1 hour, they 10% going down, my friend. You can see here this is just very badly fall. They take some small jump, but again they take a very bad falls, and everyone and the lost at the same time. So if you absolutely they're starting moving up, my friend. But this time people starting selling. Exactly, this is the one big reason to people starting selling, my friend. I told you why they're going down. Yes, my friend, sorry, I am really sorry to I told you. But some people are very crazy. Absolutely they starting selling at the same time, therefore they going down, they fails down. Absolutely Elon Musk tweet and in the morning to they are going very fastly going up. But I don't know why they going down and this time, because everyone is very good for this time to they can sell it. Absolutely, if you sell it in this time they give you very good profit, they make you millionaire. Absolutely, therefore everyone can sell it now. So this is good time to you sell it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you I update you any news about Dogecoin and any Elon Musk new updates. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like this video, please thumbs up this video, and also subscribe this channel for latest news to be in touch with us. Okay, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.